Yeah, my people, how you guys doing, guys? I want to show you guys quickly how we make up to like $500 $400 every day. All right, this strategy I've posted it before, but I just want to clarify, guys, because a lot of people are still coming to my inbox asking questions regarding the strategy. And yep, you can see. All right, this is the strategy we use in killing the market. Step index is being killed right now. All right, you see, this is the same strategy we use to trade the boom and crash, like professionals. You know what I'm saying? So you see that entry? You see that entry? You see, this is where we took the trade, right? This is where we took the trade from here all the way, guys, all the way, guys, all the way, guys. All right, all right, and for step, you see how much we're making, guys. All right, so yeah, in my VIP group, everybody's winning, and that was the plan. Excuse me, that was the plan. Everybody's winning, everybody's winning. All right, everybody's winning, and that was the damn plan, guys. That was the plan. That was the plan. The plan is for everybody to win. All right, look at that. Look at that. A lot of money, guys. A lot of money could be made, trading forex market, if only you know the right thing. All right, if only you know what you're doing, a lot of money will be made. And in this video, guys, I'm not going to take much time. I just want to show you guys how I do it. All right, I want to show you guys how I do it. I want to show you guys how I do it. All right, so it's very simple. It's very simple. You just have to be able to read the charts, right? Read the candlestick patterns, read the chart patterns. Know your market trend, market movements. Have your tools ready. Know your support, your resistance, and all of that, and you are good. Once you know all of that and you apply these two powerful moving averages, we're good, guys. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right. All right. You can see how we're doing this. It's very simple. All right. So here, price moved from here. After it crossed this level, after it crossed here, it kept going up. So imagine your stop loss is somewhere around here. All right. Price crosses these two moving averages here. It keeps going up, guys. All right, but for this trade, this is where we took the trade. You see where our buy is. You see where our buy position is. You see, it bought from all the way from here. All right, and it's going, guys. It's going, guys. Making a lot of money right now. Making a lot of money right now. So what do you do first? You go to your higher time frame. All right, you know the market direction. All right, in this case, we are going up. Right, the market is going to the upside. You can see the series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see that. You see that. This is confirmation that the market is in an uptrend. So what do you do when the market is in an uptrend? You look for buying opportunities, guys. You look for buying opportunities. All right, so you go to your lower time frame rather, and you look for opportunities to buy. Allow price come to your level. All right, allow price come to you. Yeah, so you look out for candlestick patterns, look out for chart patterns. What are the candlesticks saying? Interpret them if you can. This is why I keep saying that price action is important. It's very key, guys. It's very important that you know price action. All right, and then you can confidently take a trade, and even if you get to lose from that trade, even if you get to lose that trade, you will definitely have something to learn from it. All right, so yep, these are the two powerful indicators we are going to use in this video: moving averages, and it's the same setup as I've used before. I just want to show you guys that this strategy has been working over time, and you just need to follow the principles. Before I go deep into this video, before I go deep into this video, I need you guys to do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell. Thumbs up. If you do this, it will help reach out to more people who are looking to benefit from strategies like this. All right, so don't keep it for yourself alone. Just do all of this and let the video go viral for every other person to benefit from this, guys. All right, and you have been using my strategies for the past couple of days. I see a lot of people come in my inbox to appreciate me. I really appreciate the fact that you remember to come to testify that, yo, these strategies are really making sense and all of that. So I want you guys to please drop good reviews if you have been using my strategies and it has been working for you. Drop good reviews so that you encourage others to learn too. All right, so like I said, I don't want this video to be long. You can see we're still in the winning trade, and the VIPs in my signal channel are winning, and that is the most important thing. All right, so quick, let's go to the indicators. We just need two moving averages. All right, we just need two moving averages on your main charts. We don't need you to have any indicator window, right? So your main chart is fine. All right, so you just click this. Okay, let me go back. Let me show new people who don't know how to use this. Yep. All right, so you want to add indicators as a newbie. A lot of you guys have been asking me how it is being added. So you simply click that F, right? You click that, and then you'll be able to add your indicators. So we have to add. All right, okay, you come around here and then you click here. You click here, and you'll be able to add your indicators, guys. So this is the first one I'm going to add. It is 21 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Styles 4 pixel. You can use any color of your choice. All right, make sure it is visible to you. You know, if you're using a black screen, you look to go for bright colors, right? So you can be able to see your screen perfectly. And if you're using white screen like myself, I was using black before, and then you guys kept asking for me to use white screen, and I had to answer your call. All right, so if you're using white screen, you can go for dark color so that you will be able to see visibly. Yeah, so this stuff will be visible. Yeah, you don't need any levels, guys. So after this, you just click done, and then you go back to add the second one. The second one is the 50 period moving average. All right, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Styles 4 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, but also remember to keep it very visible. All right, so you click done after that, and you're good. All right, so how do you use this strategy? You simply allow price to cross. You simply allow price to cross your moving averages, this red and this black lines. Like in this case, price came all the way from down here and then crossed over to this other side. All right, it crossed here to this other side. All right, and then what happened? It retested. This is very key, guys. Once price crosses, right, allow it to retest. Once it retests that trend line, once it retests your moving averages, right, the red and black indicators here, once it retests that, then you can take your trade, guys. You will make consistent profit if you follow these principles. All right, don't rush in when price crosses. Allow it to retest. All right, sometimes it might just cross and keeps going up, and you might feel bad that you've lost an opportunity, but no, that was you simply being careful and following the simple principles of trading. All right, there are some aggressive traders who will just enter regardless, but this makes sense, guys. You allow it to cross over first, and then allow it to retest before you take a buy. And if you take a buy here, all right, if you take a buy in this position, this is where your stop loss is going to be, just below the previous low, guys, right? So imagine taking a trade here. It's gonna definitely ride you all the way to the top, like in this case, guys. All right, so I took this trade here. I took this trade here and it's riding all the way to the top, guys. It can't be that. It can't be that. A lot of money is being made right now. All right, a lot of money is being made. A lot of money is being made. All right, and people in the VIP group, they are winning. Everybody's happy, and that makes me happy. All right, that makes me very happy when the VIPs are winning. That's a big win for me. So guys, this is how I make money trading step index. This is how I make money trading step index like a pro. I make money like a pro. I make money like my life depends on it. If I don't make money, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna literally just die if I don't make money. So I make money every day. This is it. Our boom is retracing, but we don't really care because we are going to hit it big, guys. We're going to hit it big. All right. So if you have any question, do well to come in my inbox. I'm gonna drop my WhatsApp link. I'm gonna drop it in the description of this video. All right. So if you have any challenges, you can just chat me up directly on WhatsApp. You want to join our VIP signal group, chat me up. All right. Don't be afraid to chat me up. You want to join mentorship class, chat me up. It's very affordable. You want to be amongst our VIPs, chat me up. Get back-to-back signals with 95% accuracy. Just chat me up, guys. Don't be afraid to chat me up at any point in time, guys. I'm always here for you. I want you guys to win. I want everybody to win, because if you win and you testify that you won using my strategy, that's gonna make me a winner. All right. So I'm doing this for all of you guys. I'm doing this for all of you, and you guys should just hit me up, guys. Just hit me up. All right. Take care of yourselves.